Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is Darwin perceived origin of new species and dash A. Fixation, B. Stabilization, C. Adaptation, and D. Maladaptation. So the correct option is C. Adaptation. The next MCQ is what is the perception of Darwin about unity of life? A. All organisms descend from a common ancestor. B. All organisms are created specially by divine force. C. All organisms share a common biological composition. D. All organisms arise from non-living things. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is overproduction of individual leads to the dash amongst the members of a population. A. Harmony. B. Variation. C. Computation. And D. All A, B, C. So the correct option is C. Competition. The next MCQ is according to Darwin, dash become better adapted to local environment through natural selection. A. Regional community. B. Ecosystem. C. Population. And D. Flora. So the correct option is C. Population. The next MCQ is survival is only for the fittest is true for A. Artificial selection. B. Descent with modification. C. Natural selection. And D. Revolution. So the correct option is C. Natural selection. The next MCQ is survival and the struggle for existence depends upon A. Physical environment. B. Hereditary constitution. C. Chemical constitution. And D. Environmental resources. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is how many types of finches were observed by Darwin at Galapagos Island? A. 12, B. 14, C. 11 and D. 10. So the correct option is B. 14. The next MCQ is which one is related to natural selection? A. More people, more resources, no competition. B. More people, less resources, more competition. C. Less people, more resources, no competition. And D. Less people, less resources, no competition. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is Darwin's theory of evolution was mainly based on the evidence from dash A. Geographical distribution and fossil record. B. Fossil records and embryology. C. Geographical distribution and comparative anatomy. C. Paleontology and geology. So the correct option is A. Graphical distribution and fossil record. The next MCQ is over many years two populations could become dissimilar enough to be designated A. Separate species that is applied upon A. Galapagos finches. B. Giant turtle. Blacksmith bicep. And D. Giraffe neck. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which is not a geographical barrier. A. Ocean. B. Lowlands. C. Mountains. And D. Atmosphere. So the correct option is A. Ocean. The next MCQ is according to the theory of natural selection, organisms produce A. More offspring than supported. B. Less offspring than supported. C. Offspring according to the resources available. And D. Offspring to create resources. So the correct option is B. Less offspring than supported. Sorry, A. More offspring than supported. The next MCQ is which animal support Darwin's view of inheritance of desirable variation? A. Giraffe. B. Galapagos finches. C. Snake. And D. All of these. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is dash occurs because natural selection gives some alleles a better chance of survival than others. A. Fitness. B. Crossing over. C. Evolution. And D. Artificial selection. So the correct option is C. evolution. The next MCQs is new Darwinism. Darwinism has integrated discoveries and ideas from all except A. Taxonomy, B. Genetics, C. Paleontology, and D. Serology. So the correct option is D. The next MCQs is new Darwinism is A. Darwinism plus Lamarckism, C. B. Darwinism B, plus Mendelism, C. Darwinism plus Haeckelism, and D. Lamarckism plus Mendelism. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these and MDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.